In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dynamic lists in Attio. First, log into your Attio account so we can get started from the home screen. Once you're in, head to the Lists section. Look for the plus icon and click it to create a new dynamic list. A dynamic list is a smart, always up-to-date view of your records. Instead of you manually adding and removing entries, it stays in sync automatically based on filters you set. So as your data changes, the list updates on its own. For this example, we'll build a list of companies. Choose companies as your record type if you want the list to track organizations rather than people or other objects. You may see suggested templates here. Go ahead and use the template that best matches your goal to save a bit of setup time. Next, give your list a clear name so teammates know what it's for. Something like high-value leads works well, but choose a label that reflects your criteria and use case. If you already have data in Attio, you can skip importing. Otherwise, add a record source and select Import CSV. Click Choose a CSV file and pick the file you want to bring in. Then click Next. You'll be prompted to map your CSV columns to Attio attributes. Take a moment here to set the correct attributes for your data: match names, domains, countries, and any custom fields. Accurate mapping ensures your filters work perfectly later. When you're done, click Continue, review the values, and click Continue again. Finally, start the import. Attio will process the file and add the records to your workspace. Now, return to your new list. Let's make it dynamic by adding filters. Create a dynamic filter and, for this example, choose country as the attribute. Set the operator to is, and then select United States of America from the options. You'll immediately see the list refresh to include only the companies that match this condition. This is the power of dynamic lists. Any company that later gets tagged with the United States will automatically appear here, and any that change to a different country will drop out. When everything looks right, click Save for everyone, so your team can use the same view. To recap, you logged in, created a new dynamic list for companies, named it, optionally imported a CSV and mapped attributes, then added a country filter set to is United States, and saved the view. That's all you need to maintain a clean, auto-updating list. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.